Here we go. It's your final race of the 2014 Boundary Waters Dragon Boat Festival. Again, on the inside lane, it's Dragons Breath. The outside lane, Smokey Bears. Both of these two, it's a rematch of the gold medal final race last year. And they look like they're neck and neck right now. Again, this is a 200-meter race. Anything can happen before somebody crosses that finish line. The last time around, we had to go to a video replay. It looks like this is another close one. Smokey Bears is pulling away. Dragons Breath trying to catch up, but so far again it's the Smokey Bears in the outside lane. And the Smokey Bears are your winners this year. They are your gold medalists. Dragons Breath picks up the silver medal. These were the two best teams with the two best time today. You can only have one gold medal winner though, and congratulations to the Smokey Bears. They are your gold medalists this year at the 2014 Boundary Waters Dragon Boat Festival. So let's give a round of applause to all the teams, but especially Smokey Bears for walking away with a gold medal today.